I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. So this is Nkisi. The last time I gave you guys update concerning this route was about a month plus ago. So today we are back to this particular location to come and give you another latex update. Though this time around when we visited, there is no much difference from what you saw the last time we visited here, which is about a month ago. I can say there's no much difference. What we saw the last time we visited is still what we saw today, except that some axis which has not been dualized, which I covered the last time I visited here, is currently being dualized. Like they are currently demarcating the road, and more stones has been has been brought over to that site. So but the rest of the thing over here is still the same thing. So you've watched from some at the beginning, and then down to the Y junction, then from the Y junction head over to this particular place. So the last time I made this video, I told you guys that the only place that's been dualized is immediately you came in from the NTA gates after the hill. Once you get to that Y junction, by your left is the one that is being dualized. The right road is not being dualized. It's just a single lane. So that is where that is being dualized currently. So before I will comment much on this road construction right now, let me just a little bit touch some certain things which I saw, I kind of observe at the entrance of that NTA gates. What I'm seeing at that NTA gate is that maybe in the nearest future, maybe administration or government that will dualize that entrance will come in, because I've noticed that there is no two ways about it. That entrance must be dualized to actually give this place what it needed. The entrance must be dualized, no two ways about it. And that entrance, I also noticed something. I think a flood is causing some erosions over there currently. There's some sections that where erosions are happening as we speak, though it's not yet that very big, but if it continues that way in the years to come, it will get worse. So from what I observed this last time I visited, I can tell you guys that definitely that entrance needs to be dualized. Definitely it needs to be dualized. So you can see from the from where we started that it is what we used to see before is still there. Like what we used to see before is what is still there. So the section that has been asphalted, and the sections that have received stone base and the rest, so that is what is still there. So over here after the NTA channel, the house, from there heading down here has been dualized, but not yet received stone base or even asphalted. So over here, what you saw last time we visited is what is still here. Nothing much has been done here. um this area is still a kind of on pause. They have not done anything much here again. So where they are currently around is the place I showed you guys the last time we visited, which is after these sections, after all this angle, heading down towards our left hand side. Once you get to that down side where it seems like this road have a dead end, then you take your left hand side. That is where they are currently are. And the last time we visited, that place has not been demarcated, but this time around they have demarcated the place. And I also I kind of saw or observed something around that area, which I will be analyzing once you get to that location. Carefully watch the video and see that if you have watched our previous video, you can see that there's nothing much, no changes at all. What you saw last time we visited here is what you still hear, except that area that is being demarcated currently. So I will allow you guys watch through the video and see everything for yourself until we get to that sections that is being demarcated newly. So this is the section I was talking about. You can see if you go back to our previous video, which I covered last 2 months ago, you will notice that this particular section has not been dualized then, has not been demarcated then, but today it has been demarcated. So guys, I want you guys to observe something in this video. You can see where I'm currently filming, there's the drainage system over here, but you can see that the sand, erosion, or flood has covered the drainage system with sand already. So I think amount of flood that is, or water that is flowing here, is very very huge or something. But I will not comment much until the work is finished and open up. Let's see how it goes. But currently there's heavy flood that used to happen here. So we used to have a very heavy flood around this place, because that's what I'm noticing as we speak. Because every other drainage system, you have sand inside them though, but not entirely covered. But at that particular junction, the drainage system over there has been covered with sand. Not people, it's not done by people or the contractors, but rather by the flood that is flowing around that place. So that place, I think, let's just keep watching until it's completed, and let's see how the whole thing goes. If it actually, go well, a kind of if the drainage system around this place can contain the amount of water that is flowing around here, or it needs a very bigger gutter or something. So you can see the looks of here. I can tell you that there is a very massive improvement from what we saw the last time we visited around this area. So it has been demarcated. Even the demarcation has gotten to where this road has a dead end. And the day I went there to also go and do this filming, I also saw some workers. They are workers that are doing these demarcations are there. They are currently working on the remaining one, but it's almost at the end. So what I'm yet to know is if the road is going towards the right or towards the left, or is gonna end there where it is currently is right now. So when we get there, you see everything for yourself, where they currently are. And stone base also is also there. They have bringing some stones over, and it's been dumped at the end of this particular road, so which you're gonna be seeing everything once we get to that place. So this is the looks of things around this place. So kindly watch the video, or carefully watch the video till the end. Tell us what you feel about the road, and is it given, or is there anything that needs to be added? And do you think the road is okay? Like is there any mistake you are noticing that we cannot notice? Kindly let us know via the comment sections. The only thing I can say about the road is the road is very wide. Like, it's very very wide. They got enough space for the road, so it's very 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 wide. It's not a kind of tiny, or a kind of maybe they are managing space. They got enough space here, so the road is very very wide. And from what I'm just seeing, the road is okay. The only problem I'm still noticing here is the drainage system and the amount of water that will be flowing here when it rains. That is the only thing I'm still currently kind of worried about, how it's going to be when the whole thing is completed, and maybe the drainage system cannot carry the amount of water that will be flowing here when it rains. So that is just it. So you can see where I where I just filmed. That is the stone base over there where I just filmed right now. You can see it here. So this is where the stone base that are bringing currently. So this is where the road currently ends. this is another dead end of the road. So I'm yet to know if the road will be going towards my right hand side or towards my left hand side, or the road is ending here. So in the next couple of weeks, when they do the demarcation is completed, they will start applying stone base. We also go back there to go and see what is happening. So guys, I think this is what we're gonna be calling it a day. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe, share the video, give us your own take via the comment sections, and please desist from any insultive comment or attack. We are just doing our own video coverage and analyzing what we saw on the ground. So we can't go there and see something else and come and tell you another thing. So give us your own take via the comment section, subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and don't forget to share the video. Thank you guys for watching, and kindly have a wonderful day ahead of you.